Yes, afternoon everybody. This is why I'm doing my job today. This is what I'm doing. Right now, zvandiri kuita ndiri kucheka groove. This is what I'm going to do. This is the underside of a moving axis moving table. What I want to do is to put this small shaft inside here. But before I do that, I want to cut off this other end. You can see here there's a groove, so I want to cut off this piece of this shaft. As you can see, I want to make a 2-post for my other lathe machine here. You can see I've tested it and it's working. This machine was going to be scrapped by a paper company here in Zimbabwe, so I'm trying to make it work. You see, this is my 2-post. This is what I've done. This is my own design. I got some few tricks on the internet, but I'm going to make this is my own design. As you can see, the other designs here, I've got this middle part is square, but mine I've tried to make a round one. As you can see, round. Obviously, I'll put a little bit of tacks here so that I can secure my tool properly. In this case, I don't have a threading tool or a tape, so I'm going to weld on 12mm nuts here so that I can use my 12mm bolts. Yes, so this is it. So I'm going to continue with my milling. As you can see, I should have made a round, like a round groove, but I made a square because I don't have you can see this tool, I don't have a bigger tool to make a round here enough to cover this, so I've made a square groove. So I'm going to ask my friend here to hold the machine, then I can finish off. You can see I'm left with this small piece here. So my friend, this is the end of part 1. So I'll finish up on part 2. So watch out for part 2. Thank you.